Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you this it's about a 38-inch diameter unscrambling table with, of course, stainless steel top. It does have a diverter there, full perimeter rails. It's made by Feed Systems. They're part of the Capsule company that you may know, and the unique feature they do, they make a cylindrical body to the unscrambler. Has a variable speed drive, a DC drive, operating on 120 volt. You can see here it's made by Feed Systems. Has a small control here. Of course, we're operating on 120 volt. Has a minimal speed range. That's its top speed you see operating right there. But usually you don't need much more than that. Notably, it does have a little graduate here, sort of, so you can see where to mount your rails. We have lots of equipment for packaging and processing in our inventory, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us this video today.